Today we are going to learn about the power set. The set of all possible subsets of a set is called the power set of that given set. It is denoted by the capital letter P and the name of the set is written within the bracket. Power sets are written within the braces or the curly brackets. There are two types of subsets, proper subset and improper subset. Proper subset is a subset in which all the elements of a set A belongs to set B, but set B has at least one element which is not an element of set A. Here you can see an example. Set A is equals to A, B and C. And the set B is equals to A, B, C, D and E. Here the set A does not contain the element D and E. So according to the definition of proper subset, set A is a proper subset of set B. Proper subset is denoted by the given symbol. Null set or empty set is a proper subset of every set. Now we are going to talk about the improper subset. Improper subset is a subset in which all the elements of set A are present in set B and all the elements of set B are also the elements of set A. For example, set A is equals to P, Q and R. And the set B is equals to Q, P and R. Both the sets contain the same elements. Therefore, set A and set B are equal sets with different names. The order in which these elements are listed does not matter. The improper subset is denoted by this given symbol. Thus, every set is an improper subset of itself. In order to write the power set of any set, first we should find the number of possible subsets, that is equals to 2 raised to the power n. Here n is the number of elements of a set. Here you can see an example that set A contains only one element. So n is equals to 1. The number of possible subsets in the power set of set A would be equals to 2 raised to the power 1. That is equals to 2. This 2 shows that the power set of set A would contain 2 subsets. In order to write the power set, we would write all the subsets within the curly brackets. The power set of set A would be equals to null set or empty set because null set is a proper subset of every set. The other subset would be 3. Now take another example of set B, that is equals to 0, 1 and 2. The set B contains 3 elements, so n is equals to 3. So the number of possible subsets in the power set of set B would be equals to 2 raised to the power 3, which means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is equals to 8. This 8 shows that the power set of set B would contain 8 subsets. In order to write the power set, we would write all the subsets within the curly brackets. The power set of set B would be equals to null set because null set or empty set is the proper subset of every set. Then we are going to write the subset of one element, that is 0, 1 and 2. Then we are going to write the subsets of 2 elements, that are 0, 1, 0, 2 and 1, 2. Then we are going to write the last subset, that is 0, 1 and 2 because every set is an improper subset of itself.